Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to see about the digestive system. In ordinary English, the word alimentary means pertaining to nourishment. The alimentary or digestive system. System includes all those structures that are concerned with the eating and with the digestion and the absorption of food. The system consists of an alimentary canal which starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. The external opening of the mouth is the oral fissure, bounded by the upper and the lower lips. Within the mouth cavity, there are the teeth with which food is chewed and the tongue which helps the process of chewing, swallowing, and the taste. The roof of the mouth is formed by the palate. Posteriorly, the mouth opens into the oral part of the pharynx, below with the laryngeal part of the pharynx. The latter becomes continuous with the esophagus. The esophagus is a tube that descends through the lower part of the neck and then through the entire length of the thorax. The stomach is a large sac-like organ which acts as a storage of a swallowed food. After this food is partially digested in the stomach, it passes into the small intestine. The small intestine is in the form of a tube about 5 meters long. It is divided into three parts. These are duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The small intestine is followed by the large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters long. Its main subdivisions are cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, and the anal canal. The anal canal opens into the exterior at the anus. After food has been digested and absorbed, the useless remnants that remains are passed out of the exterior as feces. Closely related to the alimentary canal that are several accessory organs. In the region of the mouth, there are three pairs of salivary glands which produce a fluid, the saliva, that helps to keep the oral cavity moist. In the abdomen, we have two large glands, the liver and the pancreas. The liver occupies the upper right part of the abdomen. It is a very important organ having a numerous function. The pancreas lies transversely on the posterior wall of the abdomen. It produces the digestive juices and that are poured into the duodenum and help in the digestion. It is also an important endocrine organ. Tomorrow I will be back with a new 3D animated digestion of a food video.